Oh, may, ano, lima lollipop. Lima lollipop. Sa atin, isa lang. Kasi mura lang eh. Isang lollipop. Lollipop mo sa
When I'm gone, will you take good care of everything?
Going over there. Kala ko malayo pa, ito lang pala eh. Busan Air Cruise. Let's see. Busan Air Cruise. Okay na rin yan. Kaya want to buy something in 1170B. Ito pa. Kasi ito eh. From the Skype. Ayan. Ito lang ah. So, ito na yung picture. Ayan na. End of the day. Balik tayo dito. Yun na lang. Sunod next year. O a year after. Sorry, okay lang. So we're going to the 4th floor.
손잡이를 꼭 잡아주시고 안내드려요. 그림이 남아있게
So we're going Beyond Film City, okay. We're here. Where's the key? Over there. Pabili mo ba sa mapagpasan? Para sabay-sabay tayo. Sabay-sabay tayo. Yeah, that's it.
Si Jomi.
8 of us. Para 8 of us. Lollipop. 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 Okay, lollipop. Thank you. Lollipop. Lollipop. So you're ready, huh? You're ready. You're ready. You're ready. Ready.
Ano ang 8 sa Korea?
Sabihin natin na we're 8. Hindi tayo. Sabihin nyo na 8 tayo. Dapat isang ano.
Dan exit. Gusto ko yung lollipop. Ay, di po ta lollipop yung bata? You don't want lollipop?
It's for you. It's a gift.
Aha. Over there. Ang bilis pala.
Speedy yan. May speedy.
No, para papasok. Ang bilis. Dalawa lang sila.
Hindi ah. With others na lalagyan yan.
Ayan. 8 pa. I think this is the one. Yep. Please. Alright.
Power Ranger.
Alright, dyan ka.
Hey.
Aha.
Sino?
All in one. Video.
Walang aircon?
Wala. Kasi malamig na
Ano
doon.
naman eh, nakapokus mo na yun.
Malamig na yan.
Mag-olibag tayo.
Okay.
Ito may pamaypay oh. Oh, Josh!
Ayun. Yay! Oh, ganyan lang tayo.
Ano sa'yo?
Video na.
Video lang para maano lang, hindi lang makita. Video lang.
Yeah, I want
It's round trip. Yeah, we get in there. There we see lots of things there.
Yay! We're here! Happy! Happy! Mainit!
Say kimchi!
Lasang lollipop.
Kimchi.
O, hindi kayo ano lang muna dito eh.
Aha.
Andun kasi yung...
Oh, well!
Hindi pinlano to.
Mainit!
Hindi pinlano. Maganda talagang wala sa plano.
Gusto ko to talaga.
Natutuloy, no?
Bigla.
Kinaril talaga. Yan lang, sayin. Anyo! Anyo sa iyo! Anyo!
The wind is around.
Yan yung speedy yata. Di ba may speedy? Bakit yung isa premium? 240,000. Ano yung premium? Baka may
Hindi, baka marami yung ano, pupunta.
May libre
Kasi,
pagkain yun.
oh, may, lima ang lollipop. Lima ang lollipop.
Sa atin, isa lang. Kasi mura lang eh.
Tawa! 240,000? Ang laki. Laki na difference.
Isang lulibak
Lollipop mo na sa laro. Mas mahal daw ang lollipop.
Yay! Masaya?
Hindi kasi mukha siya eh.
Ang hirap kaya.
Kung kasama ko si Eric.
The Busan Air Cruise. Welcome to the Busan Air Cruise.
Uy, may hulog.
Then,
May wifi to yun.
May wifi ba?
Sana all ako
There-
wala.
there-
There is.
Sa akin, naka-ano.
Oo.
hindi mag... Loving, can I borrow please?
Borrow? Then no.
Patay ka!
It's okay. It's not recorded. It's not recorded. Yeah, it's not recorded.
Oh no! Ganda rotate.
Okay.
Relive the cable!
Okay.
Busan! Naubusan ng pera! Ubusan ng pera!
Busan ng pera.
Hindi mo yan naka-Tokyo! Saka wala pa ang Japan! May waling pa!
Andito pa lang tayo sa... Wow.
Ubusan ka!
Masama na pala ng holiday. Ubus na.
Wala pa ang Japan! Ubus
Wala
na
pang
ang
tapos
pera!
ng pera.
Okay.
What?
Alright. What? This one.
What is okay?
Amen din yung
Okay.
skyline ko dyan.
Front line. Front line. Ready?
Front line.
Okay. One line.
Camera.
Say kimchi.
Kimchi! Can we do ano, TikTok here?
Okay. Yung sa...
Skyline.
Us
Sa
now.
skyline yun, no?
Okay, kayo naman.
Kayo naman na.
Come on, yeah! Enjoy! Kimchi!
Talo tayo. Kaisa lang tayo. Oh, yan. Yes.
Dapat may lollipop.
Okay, can I...
Okay, saan yung lipat natin?
Meron ka?
Wala, nagbigay ko ni Diyos.
Ito, ay mabuksan.
Pala, bilang eh, no? Yung bigat niya may weight kaya alam mo pag wala.
Yung bridge na yun.
Oh, pwede natin puntahan yan. Maraming makikita dito, meron. Oo, katulad dun sa ano, sa Culture Village.
Akala ko yung honeymoon.
Yung parang yung half moon. Pinuntahan nyo, nagpa-picture kayo? Haba ng pila eh.
Honeymoon?
Ayun na, oh, the lollipop. Dada.
Oh, yeah, game. Lollipop, lollipop.
Parang 15 years na ko hindi na
Give me love,
mag-lollipop.
please. It's almost finished.
No, is it?
Yeah, we're nearly.
We're almost at the
And
station.
then we go back walk,
Yeah.
walking on the way.
Yeah,
On the way back.
we use the boat.
It says you have to swim, Said.
Yeah.
Oh, I can swim.
हमने पिछले कुछ सालों में 4 ब्लड मून्स देखे उसके बाद रेड टाइप
Kababae ni siya dito sa salita.
Function.
Hindi to hihinto, ano?
Hindi, pwede tayo baba rito. Tapos pipicture tayo.
what I mean is, hindi siya talagang
Hindi.
hihinto. Hindi. Tatanong. Ay, sorry ka. Tatanong
Tayo
tayo.
rito.
Ready, ready.
Get ready na. Because we need to...
Una kayo para ma-kumaw kayo. Go, 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 go.
Okay.
Para pala ako nauna sa susunod.
Kaya nga. Galing, dyan ang ginawa.
Compress, compress.
Okay, make two line, pull them and go backward. Make two line.
Two lines, two lines, two lines, two lines. Two lines. Oh, dito na tayo.
Okay, very good. 잠시만 기다려주세요. 저 사진 찍고 있어가지고 잠시만 기다려주세요. Okay, citizens, wait, could you go inside a little bit more? Okay. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Kimchi!
One more time. Citizens,
Okay.
1, 2,
Kimchi, kimchi,
3.
kimchi!
Okay, thank you. Check your phone. Bye bye.
Bye bye! Bayad yan. Kala niya ako kunin natin. Kala niya ako kunin natin. Oh, okay. Gambak po, gambak. Okay. Okay. Yeah, try natin. Wow. Experience. Maraming kainan pala dito. Kaso lang wala siyang... Ayan o. Baba tayo, baba tayo. Ah, yun na rin.
엄마 저기
One shot is free. We'll try it later.
Are you feeling hungry now?
No? Later will. Wow. This is cheaper. Because over there is 5,000. This one is 3,500. Just keeper. Oh, mura dito, no?
5,000 lang.
Unlock, unlock. Hindi daw talaga. Mura dun, 3,500 lang. 4,000 dito eh. 3,500 lang. Dito 4,000, yun kanina. Hirap niyan. Squid game is 4,000 dito na. Ito pala. Bilis naman ng ano. The dragon. Look, you got the panda. Grant you. One wish by dragons. Really? Dragon scale na naman, no?
The sun egg.
Mhm.
Oh, that's nice.
Mhm.
You wanna sit on that?
Wow. It's too hot.
How about up there?
Mhm.
Yeah, sure.
Use an airproof. Where's that?
Good chair for you to sit on.
Mhm. Don't stand on the floor.
So you sit on it.
Yeah.
You don't stand.
Wow. For 15 years.
15 years later.
Ang ganda. Paggabi ito, maganda pa to. Bumilis na siya pag ano. Ano yan? Ayun! Go. Akala ko ano siya.
Alam ko olive.
Hindi. Akala ko kalamansi.
Or Sergelia.
Parang Sergel, ano ba yan?
Sergelas.
Oh, Sergelas.
Ayun, ang laki oh. Mhm. It's nice. Tamang-tama lang pag gutom.
Malakit natin, sabi. Kaya pinagpapawisan. Pero pag nag-ano na sa ano, okay na. Oh.
We're walking in the forest.
Yeah. This is a nice place. Look.
Init ka, wag ka sunamit nito.
Checking out tomorrow.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Or we check out very early.
What time you waking up here?
What?
So you're gonna sit early then.
Dapat ito yung mga damit mo ganyan eh.
Check out at 4 or wake up 4?
Wake up at 4.
So we need to do your Squid Game now. Or to,
Yeah. Wait tomorrow in the airport.
you have a needle or
Nope.
just bite it. That's the
Yes.
style.
How can we do it?
We just bite.
Na lang.
Buti na lang.
Bayad na naman na yun.
Buti na lang.
Wala yan, tapos na natin.
Ini-inspect eh.
Because of the strong winds. Ayun o.
Wala naman, ang liit lang naman, di ba? No?
Close due to strong winds.
Kasi sila doon siguro sa baba ng galing.
Nakita akong dalawa yun, no?
Ngayon, no?
Ayun, naglalakad oh.
Oo.
Baka nag-inspection yan.
Yun ba si engineer?
Contractor.
Sabi pera.
Exclusive yun.
Papasok na
Ngayon pa lang nagagawa, district engineer, kung kailang na-inspection na. Ubus na ang pera.
Milyones.
Guy.
Hindi niya sinabi ko.
15 이상이면 됐거든요. 근데 18하고 19가 나와가지고.
Sayang, oh.
Magkwento, sabi ng isa kasi, yung nandito sa kaliwa, sabi niya, sige ha, ganito yung shirt ko, pero malit bag ko. Ikaw, magbag ka ng malaki kasi para mayroon akong lalagyan ng tubig.
Dalawa pala dapat.
Nga ba yun? Yan, tingnan mo. Ikaw lang magdadala ng umbrella ha, kasi bagay sa akin ganito yung forma ko.
Okay, yung outfit.
Halimbawa, baga si anak mo, ganyan ang ang girlfriend. Kaya nga, sabihan ko talaga siya. Pwede naman, pero namang sobra-sobra. Pwede naman yung top, medyo
Oh, baby, naniningit eh. Ito pala nakita natin kanina na flip. Yung nakita natin kanina na lift eh, na pababa eh. Yeah. Just get the lift. Ayan. Actually, ito lang yung nakita ko kanina, hindi ko nakita yung nandun eh. Ito lang yun eh, na may lift. Hindi naman talaga makikita pala yun. Yung magbabayad ka ng 1,000. Oh, dito na, isang lakad din. Maganda dito, isang lakad oh.
Ate, ang mga view ang table.
oo.
Mamaya.
Ay, may sumusunod. Kanina walang tao.
Babalik niya, parang maalog.
Ayaw nga.
Parang maalog.
Hindi na tayo nag-cable.
그냥 열리는 경우도 있나 봐.
음,
아니 이렇게 흔들려도 되는 거야?
hirap to.
근데 나름 사람이 다니는.
Ayaw nila? I'm going down.
근데 엘리베이터도 설치가 되네. 이렇게 흔들리는 건물도 있는데 혜정이 건물 왜 흔들린다는 거야? 빡치네. 여기가 밖에서 먹는 데인가 봐.
여기서 먹을 거야? 아니면 딴데 찾는 거야?
딴데 걸어서. 여기는 먹어도 돼 근데. 일단 한번 쓱 볼까? 응. 문 닫았어. 에? 안 열었어. 어 진짜? 응. 그래?
얼굴에
폭염이라서 안 해주나? 오늘 폭염이야? 아니 왜 편한데?
Okay, still doing fishing. Ayaw kanina. Okay. Oh, wow! Wow. Clear water. Oh, nothing. Oh, they got the prawn. You catch something already? Did you catch something?
Sorry?
Did you catch something already?
Squid.
Sorry?
2 squids.
Just 3. What fish?
Squid.
Oh, you got the squid. How big?
Maybe 30.
Oh, good. Wow. So there's no mackerel in this area, just squid, yeah?
Yeah, sorry.
No mackerel, just squid.
Mackerel?
Yeah.
What is mackerel?
Mackerel is a fish, type of fish.
Yeah, I know.
Just squid, yeah?
If you want to, you can.
No, okay. Thank you, thank you.
Where from?
Philippines.
Philippines.
Yeah, a lot of Korean people to the Philippines as well. So.
Yeah, I like Philippines. Yeah.
Lot.
For travel?
Just tourist, yeah, that's, visiting Korea. First time in Korea.
Really?
Yeah. I want you to catch something in order I can do it on my vlog. Come on.
You can see black mark.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
So
I
that's
get
it.
it. Yeah.
That's the evidence, yeah. The squid mark. Ito. Maybe the time that there's no biting, maybe around 7 o'clock when it's dark and you got the glowing bait, it might be good for a squid,
Yeah.
because we do fishing as well.
Very difficult.
Yeah, but in
This
the
place.
normally we do the squid thing with the bait is like glowing, the glowing bait.
Yeah.
The squid like the prawn.
Yeah.
So doing fishing here is free.
Yeah.
You don't need to pay
Just pay park fee.
a park fee,
Yeah.
and that's it.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay. For women, they don't understand why do fishing. But for us,
Yeah.
it's refreshing. Even if you don't catch anything,
Yeah.
but it's good.
Just for me.
Yeah. Nothing. Tinding the boat. Yeah, that's a big one. That's a big one. Okay. There's some fish already.
Sorbet.
Yeah. I saw some fish. What type of it? What type of fish?
I don't know.
No. But you see it like four of them.
Yeah.
Touch.